I remember when I was looking for my first job, had a new suit and a lot of enthusiasm. And I walked into the interviewing manager's office. We got along very well. However, at the end of that interview, he told me that I just didn't have enough experience. And that was a hard blow. So when I became an employer, I was very sensitive to that. And I thought to myself, how can I change the outcome for someone else who's in a similar situation? It just dawned on me one day, why not take one of my sauces, gift it to the students of the College of Business at Savannah State University and allow them to get some hands-on experience so that it would help facilitate them either landing a job or starting their own business. The day that I found out that I was one of the recipients of the grant, I was thrilled. Immediately, I thought of the opportunity to produce ice cream. And then the second thought was, how can I get these students involved in that? With the funds from the Progress Project, we were able to get equipment to make ice cream. Tiger's Paw ice cream is a vanilla ice cream mixed with Gator Jam. It's ginger, apples, tangerines, oranges, and raspberries. The students will benefit as the revenue returns back to the school. It's very important for me to provide real-world opportunity for these students because I was one of them.
I like it. It's good. This one's good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's good.
It's excellent.
For Hyundai to come in here, embrace without any participation goals, that's a big thing.